Introducing the BAVIN K999 keyboard. It features a multimedia knob, can adjust the device's volume, press it to change the LED colorful lights mode. It has a colorful backlight and features mechanical sounds. It comes with replaceable keycaps. It's dustproof and easy to clean. It won't easily fall off. It also has a light indicator and a 1.5-meter wire length. Its adjustable height ensures comfort, wide compatibility for all your devices, perfect for video editing and playing games. And that's the BAVIN K999. Get yours today!